project here at ISAM. I'm quite supportive to this project. And during that period when we didn't get funding from IICD, this project was streamlined in the government system, where the bandwidth was being paid by the resources from JRZ.
Okay.
So it is, as you can see, the other pieces are from our own resources. So we have at least supported the project. Yeah.